guys, Greg Davies here. Thanks for checking out the website. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money from YouTube. And guess what? That's the website you're looking at right now. And a lot of people don't even know that you can make a hell of a lot of money from YouTube making videos. And so that's what I'm gonna talk about right now. And so let's go over to the computer and I'll show you how it works, alright? Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to choose a topic. And you're going to make your videos about that specific topic, whatever it may be. It could be tutorial videos, a TV show, documentary, entertainment, or even movies, whatever you're passionate about. Now, if you have got two non-related topic ideas, then you can go ahead and create two different YouTube channels, because on one channel you should focus on one topic. And this doesn't mean that you can't have some non-topic related videos on your channel, like videos about your personal life or anything like that. Just make sure your audience knows what your channel is about, so when they want to watch videos about X and your channel is about X, then they should know that your channel is the place to go. You have to build a brand because it's a branding game, and I don't want to get into branding right now. There are two great books out there you could read about branding and marketing: the 22 Immutable Laws of Marketing and the 22 Immutable Laws of Branding. You can get those books from Amazon. If you want to learn more about branding, those books are great. Now let's talk about the tools you will need. And don't worry, because tools are really cheap today. It's ridiculous. I use my cell phone to shoot the intro for this video. It costs less than 400 bucks and it records stunning full HD videos, so you don't necessarily need to invest in some heavy equipment. Now the mic I'm using right now is a condenser mic. It's the AT2020 USB mic, and it's about 100 bucks. I ordered it from Amazon like 3 years ago, and I still use it to this day, and I love it. Now you also need a stand for the mic, because the stand you get with it is too small, and you need a stand that is big enough so you can place your mic right before your mouth to get a better sound quality. And you can get a great stand for like 20 bucks or something. Then you also need a pop filter for the mic. The one I use costs about 15 bucks, no big deal. And finally, you need a shock mount for the mic to reduce shock and vibration transmitted through your stand. I use the AT8458, which cost about 70 bucks, and that's about it. Now, of course, with the video camcorder you can go a little bit further, but you can get away using a flip cam or a smartphone that have full HD capability. You don't necessarily need to start out with a $5,000 camcorder right off the bat. Later on, when your channel gets popular and you start making money from YouTube, you can invest in a better camcorder and maybe some lights and external mic. But when you start out, you should focus on creating lots of quality content really quickly, and you don't want to monkey with some heavy equipment right off the bat. Now let's talk about software. I use PowerPoint to create my presentations, and I use Camtasia Studio for screen recording, and I edit the footage within Camtasia itself, and I export my videos to MP4. Now if you make videos with your camcorder, then you could use Adobe Premiere Pro to edit your footage, and maybe Adobe After Effects to do some additional adjusting to your videos. And that's all about software and tools. Now let's talk about the next thing you need to succeed, and I think it's very important that you find some role models, people who are already doing what you do and are ahead of you, so you can use them as role models. For example, you could check out their YouTube channel and see which videos get the most views, so you can get a feel for what people are interested in. You don't want to make videos that nobody cares about, and you want to make sure that if you invest your time and energy into making videos, you make videos that people want to watch. And that's why role models are great, because they probably already have all kinds of videos and you can see which ones get the most views. Next, work a lot. It takes time to build this up. You can't build a big YouTube channel overnight. You gotta be patient, and you gotta work it and work it and work it. A lot of people, when they start out especially in social media, and they don't experience immediate results, they give it up. And if you give it up, it's not gonna work, because it takes time to build this up. You can't build a big YouTube channel overnight. You gotta be patient, and you gotta work it and put out more and more and more quality content. So that's the way it works. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more videos from me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter and Facebook. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.